What is going on, guys? Today is September 23 of 2025, and yes, if you're reading the title, today I'm starting a series called taking my $900 to $10,000. It's something I really wanted to start doing. I think it's about time I start growing my own money instead of going the prop firm route. I don't know, the prop firm route, I don't feel like it's for me, to be honest with you. I feel more challenged with prop firms as compared to the live, because I get more I get to do more trades with the live, of course, instead of a prop firm. And since it's your own money, it just feels, it just feels different, to be honest. But anyway, y'all, this is my first trade today since over a week, I would say. I'm currently in a GBP CAD trade. Let me see, when was the last time I took a trade? The last time I took a trade was on 9/11. But yeah, so it's approximately been over 12 days. It's been 12 days since I last took a trade, so I've literally had to sit on my hands and just wait for my setup ever since 9/11. I feel like that's the cool thing about the strategy that I'm doing. I have to sit on my hands and wait it out. I can't just take impulse trades, because they're not really there, and that's just really the difference between trading on the 30-minute and the 5-minute. But yeah, I'm going for a 1 to 3 on this trade, and of course I will be updating you guys, and we shall see what happens. Okay, I'll be back with an update if anything happens. Alright, guys, I got a quick update for you guys. It's currently 2:15 p.m. and my trade just hit I believe 1 to 2 not too long ago. I don't know if you guys noticed here, but the account balance changed compared to 900 earlier in the video. That's because I just got paid and I deposited $300. So that's why you guys see a change right here. The trade is looking very nice though, I'll be honest. I expect this to be done by tomorrow, the latest. I like the fact that we already broke this high right here. It is possible that the trade reverses and tags me out at my stop loss or something. I'm considering possibly moving my stop loss to break even to avoid any losses if it decides to reverse to the entry. But overall pretty confident in the trade. I think it's gonna hit TP. I'm gonna leave it alone. I like it especially because we have a lot of gaps over here to fill on the left. You guys see it right here, all these gaps right here, all that right there, all this right here, that's gaps, that's got to be filled. It made strong push to the downside, and now it's starting to slowly come up and fill those gaps. So I'm confident in it, and yeah, I'll give you guys an update again. We'll see how that goes. Okay. All right, you guys, so quick update on the trade. It's September 24, 2025, 9:06 p.m. and it actually did end up reversing after taking out this high up here. And yeah, I should have put my stop loss at break even, but I ended up getting out, I would say, like around, oops, sorry, it's kind of laggy. Getting out like around right there, and it was like around a $5 loss. So it wasn't too bad. But I could tell that it was not, that it was gonna go reverse to stop loss, because there's no reason for it to keep pushing down like that if it's gonna keep going up to TP. But I did end up taking another trade that I wasn't able to record because I was at work. I took this GJ demand right here, and it played out pretty nicely. This, I believe this was around 9:30, and I went to work at 9, so I wish I could have recorded it, but it is what it is. It happened so quickly too. TP was hit very quickly as well. I took the trade, got off, logged out of my broker, and then two 30-minute candles later, TP was hit, and I was able to end positive for the day and overall for the week, because GBP CAD and this GJ trade right here are the only trades that I've taken so far this week. So I believe that's pretty much gonna be it, unless I have something tomorrow, which I doubt. And if there's nothing tomorrow, then I won't trade Friday, because I do not trade Fridays. It's the day of the week that I don't trade at all. But yeah, I mean, it was a very nice trade. I found that we are overall bullish. We are very bullish on the 30-minute, and it followed all my confluences. It had a nice liquidity to take out right here. Took it out. It gave a nice bullish entry candle. When I realized that I had an entry, I kind of entered late on this second candle, which was good for me because I was able to get a even better entry than getting an entry up there, say. So instead of being up down here, the entry would have been up there at the end of the candle plus spreads, because forex.com has spreads. I don't know, it has some nasty ass spreads, I'm not gonna lie to you. But yeah, that second entry candle ended up working out for me. It pushed down a little bit. I thought maybe it was gonna hit stop loss, but then it ended up giving a bullish candle, and that's when I kind of logged out of forex.com. I was like, once I saw that it had like a bullish, that it ended up pushing down and then it gave like a bullish candle, I was like, okay, I think I can log out now, and just let the trade do its thing. And then while I was working, it just 2 candles later hit TP, just like that. And it's not bad at all. I won't complain. I will not complain at all. I want to keep taking trades, and I want to keep showing you guys every trade that I take, because it's not really many, the trades that I take per week. It's like 2 or 3, so I should be able to record them and show it to you guys. It's not like I'm trading every day, and it's content that I can post, even though it might not generate a lot. It's good content that I can post and be consistent on, and I could just show you guys my journey of taking $900 to 10,000, and then after that, if God wants, I can do another journey of taking 10,000 to 20,000, and things like that. It should be fun. Like I said, it's not gonna be just solely profits, which I'm using to take the $900 to 10,000. It's gonna be along with some deposits as well from work. I'm gonna grow it the old school way. I took a lot of challenges, but those were not really working for me, so I decided to go the old school route. And I find myself to be more at peace, more relaxed with my trades, because with a challenge you have I don't know, 10% to lose. So if you're taking 1% per trade, then you can only take 10 trades, and you just don't really know how those 10 trades are going to play out. And with my regular account, I risk around 2%, which is 50 trades, because it's all my money. It's my money, so I have 50 tries, and I feel just more relaxed about it. I don't know, it just feels different for me. But yeah, guys, that's it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed the breakdown, the video. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you wanna follow my journey. And yeah, guys, peace out.